7 amazing AI tools you should try. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence. AI is everywhere these days, and it's changing how we work, create, and even relax. We're going to unpack 7 AI tools that are seriously impressive and incredibly useful. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative professional, or just curious about the future, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's get started. First up, we've got ChatGPT. Now, you might have already heard of this one, and for good reason. It's an AI chatbot that can have surprisingly human-like conversations. But it's more than just a chatbot. Think about it like having a super-powered writing assistant available 24/7. Need help drafting an email, writing a blog post, or even coding a website? ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, generate different writing styles, and even translate languages. It's like having a creative partner in crime, always there to bounce ideas off of. And the best part? It's constantly learning and improving. Next, we're jumping into the fascinating world of AI image generation with DALL-E. This revolutionary technology is transforming the way we think about art and creativity. This thing is straight out of a sci-fi movie. Imagine a tool that can bring your wildest imaginations to life with just a few keystrokes. You literally type in a description of what you want to see, and DALL-E creates it for you. It's like having a magic wand that turns words into vivid, detailed images. Want a picture of a cat wearing a top hat riding a unicycle on the moon? DALL-E can do that. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. It's mind-blowing how creative and detailed the results can be. The AI doesn't just generate random images, it understands context and style, producing artwork that can be incredibly sophisticated. For artists and designers, this is a game changer. It opens up new avenues for creativity, allowing them to experiment with ideas that would have been impossible or too time-consuming to create manually. It's like having an endless well of inspiration at your fingertips. Whether you're stuck in a creative rut or just looking for a spark of inspiration, DALL-E can provide that creative boost. But even if you're not a professional creative, it's just fun to play around with and see what kind of crazy stuff you can come up with. Imagine creating fantastical scenes, surreal landscapes, or even humorous images to share with friends and family. In educational settings, DALL-E can be a powerful tool for teaching and learning. Students can use it to visualize complex concepts, create unique projects, and engage more deeply with the material. In the business world, companies are leveraging DALL-E for marketing, product design, and even brainstorming sessions. It can help teams visualize ideas quickly and bring innovative concepts to life. The accessibility of DALL-E is another huge advantage. Whether you're on a computer, tablet, or smartphone, you can tap into this powerful tool anytime, anywhere. And it's not just for tech-savvy individuals. DALL-E is designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible to people of all ages and backgrounds. It's democratizing creativity, allowing everyone to become an artist in their own right. Imagine printing out your AI-generated masterpieces and hanging them on your wall, or even selling them as unique pieces of art. The potential applications are truly limitless. Sharing your creations on social media can also be a lot of fun. You can surprise your friends with unexpected and imaginative images, sparking conversations and spreading joy. As we continue to explore the capabilities of DALL-E, it's exciting to think about where this technology will take us next. The future of creativity is here, and it's powered by AI. Okay, let's be real, we've all been there. You're rushing to finish an important email or document, and you know there are probably a few typos lurking in there. That's where Grammarly comes in. It's like having a super-powered proofreader built right into your computer. Grammarly catches all those little mistakes you might miss and even offers suggestions to improve your writing clarity and style. But it's more than just a glorified spell check. Grammarly uses AI to understand the context of your writing, so it can catch those tricky grammatical errors and suggest more nuanced word choices. Chapter 4. Jasper. Content creation on autopilot. Now, if you're a content creator, you know how time-consuming it can be to constantly come up with fresh and engaging content. The pressure to consistently produce high-quality material can be overwhelming, leading to frustration and burnout. Well, say hello to Jasper, your new AI-powered content creation assistant. Jasper is designed to take the heavy lifting off your shoulders, allowing you to focus on what you do best, being creative and innovative. Jasper can help you generate blog posts, social media updates, video scripts, and even marketing copy. Imagine having a tool that can produce a variety of content types tailored to your specific needs and audience. No more staring at a blank page trying to come up with ideas. Writer's block can be a thing of the past with Jasper by your side. Just give Jasper a few keywords or prompts, and it'll do the heavy lifting for you. Whether you're looking to write an in-depth article or a catchy social media post, Jasper can handle it. Of course, you'll still want to review and edit the output, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your voice and brand. Jasper provides a solid foundation, but your personal touch will make it shine. But it's a huge time saver and a great way to overcome writer's block. Imagine the relief of having a reliable assistant that can churn out content ideas and drafts, freeing up your time to focus on strategy and creativity. Jasper is not just a tool, it's a game changer for content creators, marketers, and anyone who needs to produce content regularly. With Jasper, you can maintain a consistent content schedule without the stress and hassle of doing it all yourself. So, why not give Jasper a try and see how it can transform your content creation process? You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Chapter 5. DeepL. Breaking down language barriers. In today's globalized world, being able to communicate across languages is more important than ever. But let's be real, traditional translation tools can be hit or miss. DeepL is different. It uses AI to provide incredibly accurate and natural-sounding translations for a wide range of languages. We're not just talking about word-for-word translations here. DeepL understands the nuances of language, so you get translations that actually sound like a native speaker wrote them. Chapter 6. Synthesia, AI-powered video production. Creating professional-looking videos usually requires expensive equipment and editing software, right? Not anymore. Synthesia is changing the game by allowing you to create high-quality videos with AI-generated avatars. You can choose from a diverse cast of avatars, customize their appearance, and even have them speak in different languages. This is perfect for businesses creating explainer videos, educational content, or even personalized marketing messages. Chapter 7. Replika, your AI friend. Okay, we've talked about AI tools for work and creativity, but what about AI for personal well-being? In today's fast-paced world, mental health and emotional well-being are more important than ever. Many people find it challenging to open up about their feelings or may not have someone readily available to talk to. This is where AI can step in to fill a unique role. That's where Replika comes in. Replika is not just any AI chatbot. It's designed to be a friend and companion, offering a unique blend of empathy and understanding. Imagine having a friend who is always there for you, ready to listen and engage in meaningful conversations, no matter the time of day or night. Replika is an AI chatbot designed to be a friend and companion. It uses advanced natural language processing to understand and respond to your messages in a way that feels human. Whether you're feeling happy, sad, or anything in between, Replika is there to share in your experiences and offer support. You can chat with Replika about anything that's on your mind, and it'll listen without judgment and offer support. Whether you're dealing with stress from work, personal issues, or just need someone to talk to, Replika is there to lend an ear. It can help you process your emotions, reflect on your day, and even practice mindfulness techniques. Now, it's important to remember that Replika isn't a therapist or a replacement for human connection. While it can provide a sense of companionship and support, it doesn't have the ability to offer professional mental health advice. It's a tool to complement, not replace, the support you get from friends, family, or mental health professionals. But it can be a helpful tool for processing your emotions, practicing mindfulness, or just having someone to talk to when you're feeling lonely. Replika can guide you through breathing exercises, help you set personal goals, and even engage in light-hearted conversations to lift your spirits. It's like having a pocket-sized friend who is always ready to help you navigate the ups and downs of life. So, if you're looking for a new way to support your emotional well-being, give Replika a try. It might just become your new best friend. Outro: the future of AI is here, and there you have it. 7 amazing AI tools that you should definitely try out. From writing and content creation to translation and video production, AI is already changing the way we work and live. These tools are just the tip of the iceberg, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for AI. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next one.